Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to check the battery health on HP Compaq 17. So first, go into the search and open HP Support Assistant. Then click on Battery and run Battery Test. And the test is in progress, so I'll be with you when it's ready. And now it's done. The results, the battery is charged and primary battery is normal. So the battery health is in good shape. The battery health is normal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.